This is Darshana Gochan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 4th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.01 points or 0.25% to 412.48. Total trade volume was down to 110,024 shares changing hands at a total value of 594 million real or $145,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ led the market, up 1.36% or 30 real to 2,240 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which was up 1.05% or 140 real to 13,500 real per share. Other stocks up were the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, Grand Twins International, and Cam GSM. The rest of the main board remained flat, including Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, MJQ Education, Pestec Cambodia, and Acleda Bank. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering was down 0.48% or 10 real to 2,080 real per share, while JS Land remained flat at 3,470 real per share. Acleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 52,850 shares changing hands at a total value of 396 million real or $97,000, making up approximately 45% of September 4th's trade volume. Grand Twins International recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 29,839 shares traded at a total value of 113 million real or $27,800, accounting for 25% of Wednesday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened to 4,073 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 101.64. Looking at global commodities, oil prices fell on Wednesday, extending a plunge of more than 4% the previous day and hovering at their lowest since December, on expectations that a political dispute halting Libyan exports could be resolved and concerns over sluggish global demand. Brent crude futures for November fell 43 cents or 0.6% to $73.32 US dollars after the previous session's fall of 4.9%. Gold prices held steady as investors braced for a monthly U.S. payrolls report that could influence how swiftly and deeply the U.S. Federal Reserve cuts interest rates this year. Spot gold held its ground at $2,491.01 US dollars per ounce. U.S. gold futures steadied at $2,522.20 US dollars. Shares across the world fell, pummeled by a drop in tech stocks after a record sell-off for U.S. chipmaker Nvidia and as expectations of fading global growth hit riskier assets, pushing oil prices to multi-month lows. The pain was set to continue on Wall Street, where stock futures extended declines. S&P 500 futures eased 0.4% and Nasdaq futures shed 0.6%. The three main indices in the U.S. had their worst day in more than a month on Tuesday, dragged down by weak ISM manufacturing data, which reignited fears that the U.S. economy could be headed for a recession. AI bellwether Nvidia led the way, tumbling 9.5% amid worries that the ChatGPT-fueled investing frenzy that powered chip stocks higher over the past 2 years might soon fizzle out. This was Darshana Gochan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 4th.